Hello, is your Android internet so slow? Videos are buffering, downloads are taking forever. What if I told you there are hidden settings on your Android phone that can instantly triple your internet speed? And in this video, I will show you exactly the settings that you need to change to boost your Wi-Fi and mobile data speed. And trust me, most people using Android phone don't know this at all and they don't do it. But you watching this video, you stand a chance of improving your internet speed 3 times a day. Now I'm going to show you 5 settings, and at the end I'm going to give you one bonus setting, making it 6. So you want to make sure you keep watching, because if you do this, your phone speed is going to triple today. The first thing is you go to settings on your phone. Now when you come to settings, you look for app management. On your Android phone it might be apps, but just click on app management or app if you see it there. Now click on app management. Here you're going to click on app settings. Now there is one thing you need to understand, that all the apps on your phone, you are not using them at the same time, right? Now, even if you're not using them, the phone is designed that even when you're not using an app, it keeps consuming space and making your phone so slow because it's using background data. Now, all you need to do is just turn it off so that when you're not using them, they would not use background data. So here you're going to click on all the apps on your phone. You click on here. So I'm going to click on this first one here. Okay, so when you click on it, look for mobile data and Wi-Fi. This here, tap on it. Now you see that this is using background data. It means that if you enable this background data, it means that even when you're not using this app, it keeps on consuming background data, and this is slowing down your internet. So what you need to do is go ahead and turn it off. Now, when you turn it off, you are freeing up your phone and then making the internet speed 2 times faster than it was. Now, you do this for all the apps, especially the apps that you don't use constantly. I mean, any app that you don't use regularly, because these settings, this mobile data and Wi-Fi, this background data button is on for all the apps. Go ahead and check it and you will see that for all the apps it is on. So all you need to do is just go ahead and turn off the ones that you are not using, especially those ones that you don't use often. Now that is the first thing. Now once you do this, you are doubling your internet speed. And if you even practice the remaining settings, your internet speed is going to triple. Now let's go to the second settings. Go to your settings, click on network and internet. Network and internet. For some people, you will have more connection. If yours is not network and internet, you will have more connections here. Just click on more connections. Now click on this place that says private DNS. Now you see private DNS, tap on it. By default, yours is going to be on automatic. And if it's on automatic, this particular place you can't type anything. Okay, there should be something there, but that is actually a default setting on your DNS. Now all you need to do is just put it on private DNS provider host name. Now come here and then type dns.google. We're going to be using Google's DNS to triple our internet. So just type this dns.google and then afterwards save it. Now once you do, you are actually tripling your internet speed using Google DNS. That's all you need to do. That's the second settings. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up button so that others who need this will also use it to triple their internet speed. And then subscribe if you haven't done that already. Now let's go to the third settings. Go to settings again, scroll down, you're going to see system. Tap on system. There's a place that says reset option. Reset options. Click on it. You will see a place that says reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. You're going to see that here. Tap on it. Now all you need to do is just click on reset settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos and apps or videos. Everything is still going to be intact. So I'm going to show you now. Let me show you my files before I'll come down to click on this reset settings. You're going to see the number of videos and images and audios that I have. Look at the MBs, right? And then I'll click on reset settings. All right, so it's going to ask for my password. All right, you see that here? Okay, so it brought me this here. Now I'm going to come back here and then I'll check my files again. You see that my files are still intact, right? Nothing changed. So don't worry, this setting is not going to delete anything from your phone at all. Now let's go to the fourth settings, the fourth one. So here we're going to be clicking on going back to the settings and then click on SIM card and mobile. So we are on settings. You're going to see SIM card and mobile network. I don't know what yours is going to be, but mine is SIM card and mobile network is here. I'll tap on it. We're going to be selecting our preferred network that we use for browsing. I'll click on preferred network. Now, by default, it's going to be on this. That's the latest network type that my phone has. But if yours has 4 gig 5G, then you can just choose it as preferred. For some people, if it is on 3G, then you should change it to 4G. Okay, you should change it to either 4G 5G or 2G 3G 4G. You are already tripling your network speed. Trust me, guys, this actually is something that I didn't know until I discovered this, and my phone speed increased. Let's go to the last settings here. So we go to our settings again, and then here we're going to look for storage. So you scroll down the page and you're going to look for storage. If it's not there, you're going to see yours here. This is mine here. Click on it. And what you want to do is click on this here. Okay, on the RAM, you click on this arrow here. Now it's clean up your RAM so that it can clear cache. All you want to understand is cache data are usually something that clog your phone, and when it's full, it makes your phone so slow. So you have to clear it. Now, after that, click on internal shared storage on that red stuff there, and then also clean your phone. You're going to see that my junk file are being cleaned so that it can free up my phone to perform faster than it was before. So I will clean it up here, and then afterwards you're going to see about 890 MB junk was cleaned. Now you're going to come back here. You'll see that your internet speed is going to triple. Now let me give you the bonus step. Here is what a lot of people don't even understand about their Android phone. Every 2 to 3 days, it's important you restart your Android device. Just click on it and then restart it. Now, when you restart it, it simply reboots and then refreshes your network processes and then clears temporary bugs and improves internet performance. This is one thing a lot of people don't do. Every 2 to 3 days, just restart it this way. Just restart it. That's just how it works. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If this video made sense to you and you are going to apply it, just type in the comment section which trick worked for you best. Okay, just put it, is it 1, 2, 3, or 5, or the bonus tip, and then also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and share this with friends and family so they can triple their phone internet today. Thanks for watching. I will see you again.